This pair of singing bird pistols from 1820 must be considered one of the most amazing mechanical works of art, amongst the most precious objects for any collector of fine works of art. They were made in an extremely limited number. In fact, we only know of 4 other pistols which can only be seen in the world's most important museums. And this is the only pair of such pistols known to have survived. These pistols are attributed to a Geneva workshop, Frères Rochat. The Rochat family is originally from the Vallée de Joux. They came to Geneva in the early 19th century and were specialized in making any object incorporating music, automaton, and in particular, singing birds. The mechanism, which is composed of several hundreds of screws, wheels, levers, is an ingenious masterwork where every piece has its specific position and is pushing the bird out of the barrel the minute you activate it, and on a small pin the bird is flipping upwards to sit on the barrel, and then within that tube all the commands for its wings, the tail and the beak are activated. The song of the bird is inside the pistol, again a genius mechanism that makes it sound like if it was a real bird's whistling. The pistols, which as such are beautiful objects, really reveal their fascination once that you wound them underneath, you charge it, and then you pull the trigger. And then out of the barrel comes a little bird with real feathers, and then it performs its song.
It is even more impressive when you observe the bird's movements in slow motion.
The pistols are made out of gold. The case is beautifully ornamented with blue and red enamel, but highlighted on top of that with pearls and diamonds. On the sides, there are wonderfully decorated plaques depicting a stag and a lion. The value of these 2 pistols is very difficult to determine given their excessively high level of rarity. Interestingly, here at Christie's we sold 1 individual pistol over 20 years ago at auction in Geneva. It fetched at the time a hammer price of $1 million, and that should give us an indication of how exceedingly rare and valuable they are. They carry now an auction estimate of $2.5 to $5 million for the pair. These pistols are in absolutely exceptional condition with no damage to the case. And the mechanism is absolutely wonderfully performing. I think it's a great chance for mankind that these 2 objects have survived in such great condition.